Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Bald Point, Florida. As the drive unfolds, let's explore the rich history and natural beauty of this unique coastal area. Bald Point is situated in Franklin County, where the Ochlockonee Bay meets Apalachee Bay along Florida's Gulf Coast. This region is renowned for its diverse ecosystems, including coastal marshes, pine flatwoods, and oak thickets, which support a variety of wildlife. The area has been inhabited for thousands of years, with archaeological sites along the shores of Ochlockonee Bay indicating early human settlement. Shell middens and ceremonial mounds dot the shoreline, reflecting the presence of indigenous peoples long before European explorers arrived. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the region saw the establishment of seine yards by fishermen, including one near Bald Point. These operations were part of the local fishing industry that utilized large nets to catch fish. During World War II, soldiers from Camp Gordon Johnston near Carabel practiced beach training at Bald Point. This military activity left a mark on the landscape, with some areas still bearing the scars of that era. In 1999, the state of Florida purchased the first land for Bald Point State Park, acquiring 1,300 acres primarily along the shore of Apalachee Bay. As of 2006, the park included approximately 4,800 acres. Today, Bald Point State Park offers a multitude of opportunities for land and water activities. Visitors can enjoy beaches, bicycling, birding, canoeing, fishing, hiking, kayaking, swimming, and wildlife viewing. The park is particularly popular for birding, especially during the fall hawk migration when peregrine falcons, northern harriers, and Cooper's hawks cruise the beach. The blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes Bald Point a unique and inviting destination.
Thanks for watching!